If your organization still relies on manual evidence gathering, you are bothered by fragmented data or legacy systems, or you just don't have the insights to timely intervene, we might have the solution for you. Let me show you how. Process mining combines sophisticated data analytics, data visualization, and interactive process flows, all into a single solution. This delivers end-to-end process visibility across every individual claim and associated event. The automatically generated process flow in front of you shows the most common variant in this claims process for a car insurance company. I increased the display to show the first 9 process variants, representing 70% of all claims. I can play variant 9 to see the path taken. I might be interested to know when claim investigation is happening. I select the activity, and I can see this happens to 968 claims, or 5% of the claim population. All selections made or filters applied show at the top and can also be changed there. I add where there was also correspondence with the client. This now shows 156 claims. At any time, I can go to the Cases tab to see the actual claims that are part of the selection. I can export these 156 claims to Excel. Let's dig a bit deeper into our process flow. I select Additional Document Requested and remove the other filters. Via the dynamic selection at the top, I now also select where further inquiry did not happen. This shows me 1,643 claims, or 9% of the claim population. Let's drag in all the variants. Now, instead of just looking at the numbers, we can assess how much time was involved in handling these claims. I select average days under case frequency. It shows thicker lines where the path has taken longer, such as the 19 days for where there has been an audit. The other flow that stands out is the path between claim assignment to damage documents. Let's select this path to get more insight. I have now added an edge filter as shown at the top, where claim assignment is directly followed by activity, damage documents. I might be interested to see where these activities are following at any time, regardless of any other activities in between. This shows us 1,329 claims. I jump to the user's dashboard and select Activity, Damage Documents, and remove the filters. This shows me users online, mail, and other for the method how people have provided evidence documentation. I select Online and jump back to the process flow. I add the first 9 process variants and can see it taken on average 19 days. Now, when I change the user to mail, this shows me 23 days. Let's jump back to the user dashboard and remove the filter. From here, I can easily see who is involved in what type of activities. This is helpful to assess workloads and key user dependencies, but also to check segregation of duty conflicts. I can see which activities are more automated by selecting User Automatic. This shows me that this automatic user account shows up in 95% of the claims, and this user account takes care of claim decision-making and acceptance, 12,153 claims, automatic close, 17,710 claims, and it has even opened a dispute for 1 claim. Now, this last one looks a bit odd and might need some investigation. I can also check who has been involved in certain activities. Selecting Claim Assignment shows me a number of normal user and investigator user accounts. Selecting User Investigator 04 shows me a large range of different activities, some which I might not want to see combined. You can even see the time involved in the table on the left. This table presents the average days to register the notification from accident date, how long till the last assignment, the time for a decision, and the time to pay and close. Now, the great thing is that instead of you having to select relevant flows manually, we bring analytics routines or key performance indicators into the solution, and these are completely flexible. Let me take you to our Insights dashboard. Dynamic dashboards like this are really powerful for insights into the data population and analytics, such as key performance and risk indicators. The pie charts show a quick breakdown by policy type, accident type, and location. Below are the claims by period, and in the middle claims by driver, age, and car age. The top right of the dashboards shows key performance indicators considered for this process. Combinations of key performance indicators can be selected and results further analyzed through this dashboard or by jumping back to the process flow. KPIs need to be defined well with a clear way to measure and steer. They typically cover all key touchpoints in the process, from timely intake to effective handling and accurate payment, and we make sure these address what is relevant to your business with the right measurement as well as alert configuration. The bottom right shows claim amounts. All graphs and analytics can be tailored to your needs, and you can select any element anywhere for filtering. By selecting Toyota Prado, you can see the filter appear at the top, and all dashboards and key performance indicator results change instantly. Let's look at a few scenarios. Selecting the fraud indicator shows 2 claims. This was based on machine learning algorithms used for highlighting potential fraud. The 2 claims involved can be shown through the case's dashboard. Let's look at reopened claims. This is where claim was closed and later reopened. There were 13 claims. Let's show these in the process flow. Looks like one claim with an audit. This caused the closed claim to be opened again. Now, these key performance indicators are a little different from the normal data filters. When clicking on them at the top, it shows what is technically happening when setting it. The opposite or reverse can also be selected. Let's now select Late Notification and look at what gets filtered. This picks up claims where the time between accident date and claim registration was more than 3 days. I can also select combinations of performance indicators. Let's select where a claim was both rejected and accepted. This shows 3 claims where this happened. Let's look at the process flow involved. Variant 3 shows the claim got rejected and then closed, after it was disputed and then accepted and a payment processed. These claims tool a total of 46 days to close. When removing the filter, I can see the average time to close across claims is 36 days. I guess enough interesting examples to show the flexibility offered through these types of solutions. End-to-end process visibility across your claims processes is key. The dynamic visualization, the analytics, and the interactive process flows allow for comprehensive root cause analyses. Add the live monitoring, predictive analytics, and the option for alerts via email or SMS, and you have the option to timely intervene, remove process bottlenecks, apply automation, and improve your decision-making. If interested to know more about how we can bring the right solution to your business, schedule a 30-minute call. This is free and can directly tell you if this can work across your process. Thanks for your interest.